friends, today we're at Chush Falls Trail, located in the Deschutes National Forest. This trail requires a special permit that could be bought on recreation.gov that is required from June 15th to October 15th. To learn more how to obtain this permit, read the description below. Just a half a mile up trail, you start to get stunning views of the high Cascades, which include North Sister and Middle Sister. So when you're hiking on the trail and you come across an old-growth ponderosa pine, simply take a smell. It's either going to smell like vanilla or butterscotch. Which one will you be? All right, friends, so we just hiked 2 miles to the end of the trail. Beyond this point is going to be Chush Falls. Also beyond this point, the trails are not going to be maintained, so be sure to use proper etiquette while traveling on social trails. To learn more about that etiquette, read the description below. Alright friends, as you can see, we made it to the bottom of the falls. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey, and I hope you found this video educational. If you like this video and like to continue to see content on this channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button, because it's viewers like you that keep this channel running. Until next time, my friends.